Welcome student to my channel Educate Maths and Science. Today also discuss the books from the M.L. Agarwal, M.L. Agarwal, class 10, 2025, supposed to the edition, and this is 9.3. Okay, you know already the basic AP, common difference D, and the formula. This is the a plus n minus 1 into d, the series of this. But today I discuss the different formula, the sum of the total terms, total sum. Suppose this is 2, 4, 6, dot 10. What is the total sum of this? That is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12, up to this. Okay. So just you discuss about the sum. Previous video we just discussed the common difference, the first term, second term, fifth term, all these things. But here, just I today discuss the difference formula. Suppose this is starting from this is 9.3 exercise. Just I discuss the deduction of the formula first. Suppose you know, if you start, suppose A is the first term, the common difference is D. So you write A plus D. The next is A plus 2D. Next is A plus 3D. You know already. Dot. So last term is L. So before the last term, this L minus D, this L minus 2D. Okay. You know. Now what is the sum? What is the total of this term? Total, the value. Okay. So from the beginning you write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D in this way. And from the end, what you write? This is L. One is L minus D, one is L minus 2D, one is L minus 3D, dot, this A plus 2D, A plus D, and now this is A. Reverse way. This is the reverse way. It's clear? Don't to be panic. The different pattern already. Actually, this is the sum of the first in terms of the AP. The formula is the sum of first in terms of an AP. এইটা তোমাকে একটা এপির টোটাল যে টার্মটা তার সামটা বার করতে হবে। এতদিন আমরা জাস্ট প্রিভিয়াস টু এক্সারসাইজ 9.1, 9.2 we discuss the first term. What is that common difference? Find out the common difference. Find out the 25th term. Find out the 10th term. You know the formula. So this is the Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the n term. This is the first term. This is the common difference. This way. Thus, we just calculate the value of this particular term. Okay. But here I discuss what is the sum of the total AP. So in that way, you have calculated formula. Suppose this is sum means Sn. This is also Sn1. Okay. If you just add it, the left hand side and right hand side, you get this is the equation. This is actually 2 of Sn. You add it. 2 of Sn. Don't be panic. In which way the formula it is? Formula is remember. Ultimately the formula is remembered, but the deduction is very important. In which way the formula is formulated. If you understand deeply, then any problem in some, any varieties books of that, it will be calculated easily. Just a concept must be clear in which way the formula is come. In which way. Suppose if you just add it, this is A. Suppose you add it, this is this. If you just add it, this all this L, this use the bracket. Okay, all you add it. So in this way, Sn actually you write Sn plus Sn. Actually Sn1. So 2Sn, no problem. Now we add it. This is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay. This is up to dot this L minus 2D, L minus D. This is plus, this is plus L. Okay, now you add it. This is L, L plus minus D plus L minus 2D. Okay, dot dot dot. This is A plus 2D. This is, sorry, this is mm, this term is this one. This is minus, this is minus previous. Okay, no, this is, if you just previous this L, so this is, oh, this is minus is there. Okay, this is minus 2. Okay, now from this, this is A plus D, A plus 2D, this. Okay, and now this is from there, this is L minus D, L minus 2D. Here is L minus this, plus A plus D plus A. This is a total. Now, what will actually calculate then? Suppose here, this is A. So D, D, this is minus 2D plus 2D. Okay, ultimately you get A and L. All the D is cut. Now ultimately actually you get 2A. This is 2 times. Okay, ultimately you get A plus N times. This is the N times. So A plus L, this is N times. N times you get. That means you get 2SN. Actually, A plus A, this is the N times. You just a term, and here is also N times. So A plus S N times you get. Now what is SN? SN is equal to N by 2 A plus N. That is the ultimate formula. Very carefully, you just understand this. Sum of the first N terms. In which way the formula is coming? First one, Sn, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay. Clear? And from the last, this is the L minus D, L minus 2D, minus. So this and this, you just add it. So Sn, 2Sn. Actually A plus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. You write all these things. This and ultimate, this is the L minus D, L minus 2D. Okay. Now cut. This is actually plus D. This is minus D. Plus 2D, minus 2D. Here is minus D, here is plus D, here is minus 2D. Ultimately, what is the left? A. Okay. Here is also A and this is L. Actually, is the N times. N times. So actually A plus N into N times. A plus L N times. So 2Sn is this. Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus L. Suppose in an example. And here is a formula. Other formula is formulate. So Sn is equal to N by 2. You know the last term A plus, in case of last term, is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. From there you also calculate. Two formula. From here is the first formula is this Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 bracket A plus L. What will given? If there is the first term is given, last term is given, then you use this formula. Use this formula. When there is no last term is given, but the term number and common difference is given, so you apply this N by. So you just calculate N by 2 bracket A plus, this is A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is this? Actually, this is 2A. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That this is bracket also N by 2. So this is the next formula. So Sn also Sn also n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also a formula. This is the second formula. First formula is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. And the second formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a n minus 1 into d. Which one is given? On the basis of this, you just apply the two formula. These two formulas main. Okay, when the a first term is given, number of terms is given, a is last term is given, use the formula. When the common difference is given, number of terms and this, there is no last term, so then use this formula. Clear? Use this formula. Clear? So suppose, give an example. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. Give an example. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So if you just reverse it, 6, 8, 4, 2. Clear? Clear? This is the reverse. Now, what is actually apply the formula? If you just add it, here is also 20. What is the first term? 8. This is the Sn formula. Sn means sum of this is the n is fourth. Sn fourth term. Sum of this charte term, fourth term. Sn is equal to n by 2. N is 4 by 2 bracket a is 2 plus l is the last term. Okay. So this is 2 and 8 and 2, 10, 20. It's coming. It's coming. Suppose an example 2, 4, 6, 8. Here is this is 20 in this formula. Now, if you apply the formula in this way, so here the first term a is 2, common difference 4 minus 2, 2, and the number of terms n is 4. Now you use the formula. Use here is just I rub this. Here is rub it. Suppose what is the application? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a. Sorry. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The sum of this Sn. So this is n by 2, n is 4. 4 by 2 bracket 2a. A is 2 plus n is 2. Now n is 4. So 4 minus 1 into d. D is 2. Just an example. This is 2 bracket. This is 2a4 plus n minus 1, that is 3. 3 into 2. Okay. Now 2 bracket 4 plus 3 to just 6. So now 2, 4 plus 10. So this also 20. Just apply in the two formulas also. It's coming this. Okay. Clear? Is clear to you? Very basic thing. Now I apply the next video. I will just apply the exercise 9.3, so many sums. This is the basic thing in which way you formula calculate. Okay. So this for today. If you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.